Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download Google Maps for PC on Windows. This is a great way to access Google Maps directly from your desktop without having to open your browser every time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can search for locations and plan your routes. Once the page loads, you'll be able to see the full map view with the search bar at the top. Now look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your browser's menu button. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with various options. This menu contains all the essential browser features and settings you might need. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Click on this option to expand it. This section contains features related to sharing content and saving Google Maps for easier access. Next, you'll see an option labeled Install Google Maps. Click on this option. What this does is it creates a standalone app version of Google Maps on your PC, allowing you to launch it directly from your desktop or Start menu without needing to type the URL into your browser each time. After clicking Install Google Maps, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This message is asking you to verify that you want to install the application on your computer. It's a standard security measure to ensure you're intentionally installing the app. Simply click the Install button in this confirmation window. The installation process will begin immediately and should only take a few seconds. Once it's complete, Google Maps will be installed on your Windows PC as a standalone application that you can access anytime. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Maps on your PC, making it much easier to access whenever you need directions or want to explore locations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.